Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeMechanic. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that many of you probably see every single day, the Toyota Highlander. Now, you might think of it as just another family SUV, a reliable choice for school runs and grocery trips. But underneath that familiar exterior lies some seriously impressive engineering that makes it a benchmark in its class. So, let's pop the hood, figuratively speaking, and explore the mechanical and software genius that makes the Highlander a king of the suburban jungle. First up, let's talk about the heart of the machine. The standard Highlander comes with a 2.4-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Toyota made a bold move, switching from the old V6, and it paid off. This turbo 4 delivers 265 horsepower and a robust 310 pound-feet of torque. What's amazing is how they've engineered the power delivery. It's smooth, responsive, and that low in torque is perfect for getting a fully loaded SUV moving without any drama. It's not about raw speed. It's about accessible, usable power for real-world driving. The engine management software is tuned to perfection, balancing performance with fuel efficiency, which is a constant battle in a vehicle this size. But the real star of the show for many is the Highlander Hybrid. This isn't just a regular engine with an electric motor tacked on. It's a masterpiece of powertrain integration. The Toyota Hybrid System 2 combines a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. The synergy here is incredible. The system's computer, the power control unit, acts as the brain, constantly deciding the most efficient way to blend power from the engine and the motors. It can run on pure electricity at low speeds, use the engine to charge the battery, or combine both for maximum acceleration. This intelligent dance results in a combined 243 horsepower and an astonishing fuel economy rating for its class. It's a testament to Toyota's decades of hybrid leadership. Now, power is useless if you can't put it to the ground effectively. This is where the Highlander's all-wheel drive systems come in. There are actually 3 different versions available, and each one is a clever piece of engineering. The standard AWD on lower trims can send up to 50% of the torque to the rear wheels when it detects slip. Simple, effective. But step up to the higher trims with a gas engine, and you get Dynamic Torque Vectoring all-wheel drive. This system is way more advanced. It can not only send power front to back, but also side to side between the rear wheels. This means when you're cornering, it can send more power to the outside rear wheel, helping to push the car through the turn. A big SUV feels surprisingly agile and secure. And for the hybrid models, there's a dedicated electronic anti-demand AWD system. It uses a separate, independent electric motor to power the rear wheels exclusively. There's no mechanical drive shaft connecting the front and back. This design is brilliant because it saves weight, reduces mechanical friction, and allows for instantaneous response. The system's software precisely calculates when to engage the rear motor, providing traction the moment you need it, whether you're pulling away on a slippery road or accelerating out of a corner. It's a software-driven solution to a mechanical problem. Finally, none of this would matter if the vehicle wasn't safe. The Highlander is built on the TNGA-K platform, a global architecture that prioritizes a low center of gravity and a highly rigid body structure. This rigidity isn't just for crash safety. It's the foundation for a comfortable ride and predictable handling. On top of that solid foundation is Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. This isn't just a marketing name. It's a suite of active safety features powered by a sophisticated camera and radar system. The pre-collision system can detect pedestrians and cyclists. The lane tracing assist helps keep you centered. And the dynamic radar cruise control makes long highway drives so much less stressful. The amount of data being processed in real time to make these systems work seamlessly is just mind-boggling. So, the next time you see a Toyota Highlander, remember that it's more than just a family hauler. It's a rolling showcase of smart, practical, and incredibly reliable engineering. From its efficient powertrains and sophisticated all-wheel drive systems to its robust safety architecture, every component is designed to work in perfect harmony. A vehicle built by engineers for the real world. Thanks for geeking out with me today on CodeMechanic. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what vehicle we should break down next. See you in the next one.